Geimhreadh, the Irish word for winter. When the land lies fallow and quiet, we are reminded of the old tales of the cailleach, the winter crone, as she lays her cloak of snow and frost across the hillside. We too retreat inward, out of the cold and dark. In this stillness, the body begins to settle. Our ancestors knew that winter asked for gentler rhythms. The harvest stored and salted, the hard work of the year completed. And like the deer seeking shelter in the forests at winter time, we are invited to seek places that shelter us too. For our ancestors, the long nights of winter were a time for stories. They gathered around the hearth, the Shanachie, the storyteller, weaving tales of spirits, heroes, and hidden worlds, just beyond the firelight. Geimhreadh, like all the seasons, holds inherent gifts. It bids us to rest as the land rests, to allow the deep hours of the darkness to stir our own senses, wonder, and imagination. Geimhreadh is the pause we need in our busy lives, to allow us to feel, to yield, to be, in the inherent rhythm of life's unfolding, of nature, and the quiet wisdom of what is unfolding within. Geimhreadh, the Irish word for winter.